What's up, YouTube fam? Today, he is going to be installing some lights on the Rubicon. Where are the lights at? We are using the brand JDM's A Star for all the bulbs today. We are installing the headlights. We have the fog lights. We have the driving light, and then which are the reverse lights. We're just installing the temporary LED lights until the new ones come out.
The new LED housings come out.
New LED housings. So first, before we can change out the headlights, we have to remove this grill. But in order to remove this grill, we have to use this handy dandy flathead and do all of these one, this one, this one, and that one. Once he gets all of those push pins out, there are just a couple clips back in here that you just pop out and the grill will come off. Now he's going to pull off the grill like so. Now we have to take out these 3 bolts, and you're going to be using a size 10mm socket. And now you can pull the headlight out.
Alright, now we have a wire, plug-in wire, so you just gotta push the lock to unlock it and pull it out. So what we're doing, guys, we're taking out this cover. And once you take this cover out, you got access to the bulb. Same thing, you got a plug, so pull the lock out and then push the button and then you could unplug the bulb. Now you take out the bulb out to put this on, put it in, lock it, and now plug your bulb. Make sure it clicks in. There we go, and then lock it. Now you have to shove this whole socket inside here. So just like that. So once you shove that in, get your cover, put your cover back on. Make sure it's sealed so you don't get any moisture inside your headlight. But there it is. So this is all done. All you gotta do is put it back in, plug the socket, put your 3 screws back on, and then work on the other side. Alright, so we got our LED headlight on. Now before you put the grill back on, make sure they work. Let me turn it on for you guys.
Woo! I can't wait to see this at night. Looking all white.
Once you check that everything's working, take your grill, snap it back on. So once you get your grill in place, make sure all the pins are in, and then now you take your push pins and then you put it back where you got it. That's how you install LED bulb on your new Jeep JL Wrangler.
Now we are going to be changing out the fog lights, and in order to do that, there are 6 push pins that you have to pop out in order to take this cover off. There was actually 7 push pins. You had to find it right in the bottom there, and now you can flap this thing open. Now you can access this panel here, so you just take out that plug and carefully remove the bulb. Same as the headlights, JDM A Star products here. Once you get your new bulb, you replace it where the old bulb was. And once you put it in, you just plug it back. So that's the final product of it plugged in. You are gonna test it first. Let's see the difference. These are the old lights. These are the new lights. So now that you know it works, you're just going to put the push pins back on, and remember there were 7 push pins. Now you're just going to repeat the steps on the other side. Alright, we got that one done. Now time to test it out. And there you have it, folks. The next thing we are changing is this light right here to make it match. In order to change the driving lights, there's 2 pins that you're going to take off and then just fold it back. You're going to fold it back and then stick your hand in and work your magic.
You actually could just do 1 pin and you could get to the driving light bulb. So you just twist it and it comes right out. Take this bulb out. We are also using a JDM star. Plug it in. Make sure it works. Go ahead and plug it back in and twist. Alright, once you do that, fold this back in and put your pin back in. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other side. Alright, there you guys are. We got the LED driving light, LED light bulb for the headlight, LED fog lights. So reason why we didn't get the Rubicon with the LED lights and everything is because aftermarket, they always come out with a better aftermarket LED headlight housing. And plus it saved us like what, $2 grand for them. I spent 20 bucks on the driving light, $60 for the headlight, I believe 25 bucks for the fog light. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you, wife, for recording, and see you guys on the next video.